Mfowethu ngiyabonga. Ngiyabonga mfowethu. Lento vele isuka ivusa uhlevane manje ngoba ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Ifuna vele uhlevane. If ever look uhlevane bafethu ngeke ngeke uphakame. Ngabe nami ngiziqhubekele uyabona iFriday namhlanje. Ngabe ngisihlalene nabantu.
Ngibonga nalo life wakho mina mfowethu. Yazi ke ngangena komunye live. Ngayithuka uyazi khona kusafuna uyazi khona life mfethu kusafuna siyochazela abantu ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ungene ku life uzwe ukuthi labantu khona abantu umuntu host life njengoba uhostile nje. Mina understand bakhulumela isingisi sabo uyazi uzugcine umuntu usufuna uxabane nomuntu ku life wakhe ngoba manje uzwa ufutheka ngoba angazi mina abantu ba understanda kanjani. Sekufanele manje khona umuntu manje ongaboni ukuthi kwenzakalani madoda. Sekhona abantu abasafuna ukuchazelwa. Umuntu enza life esafuna ukuchazelwa.
Hayi no
I understand mina ukuthi
uyabona abafethu soliphatha uyabona uqinisile Conco soliphatha izwe awuthi sibuyele kufethi siphinde sibuyele nokucomrade uBongi bese siphinde siza kulizwe ugogo kade ngene phuma nonana kade bengena bephuma ungahambi Conco
ngiyabonga mfowethu
ushawe network ubhuti
sala lapha okay sha
alright ngiyabonga mfowethu
kamini siswethu
sanibonani futhi sanibonani soshovu zase South Africa ngiyabonga uFast Macfast mele sibophe
bafana futhi angeke sidede uyabona
bafethu sibophe iqine futhi senze sure ukuthi siyayibopha siyayiqinisa ngoba sibhekene nenkinga enkulu kabi izwe liyahlokoma manje isikhathi sokudlala nesokusinisa amahleza sesiphelile uma ngabe sizoma lapho kusho ukuthi sisenkingeni ngizobhlungu makukhuluma usiso sekaphumile Nkosi yami ngendaba yokuhlukunyezwa ngokocansi abantu bokuhamba abantu bokuhamba they do as they please because they've got a backup from our government. Our government has self-interest or has benefits ukuba khona kwama foreign countries people in fact, and it's a problem because sisi overcrowded like South Africa. What belongs to us we siyayishare noma singafuni ukuyishare kodwa bayasharisa yona ngenkani ukuthi masibasharele because they feel ukuthi ba belongana. I-home affairs yethu bafethu inenkinga kakhulu ngoba kula ubukhonyovu bukhona khona uyayibuza ukuthi bawathatha apha ama license bawathatha apha ama ID wala eSouth Africa even ama drivers license banawo they are driving cars as if it's their own country. Kubi ezweni bafethu kubi ezweni kubi ma South Africans ngempela kumele siwamisa siwahloma ama flag wethu uma ngabe siyaphuma ikhaya nekhaya uphume nje uhloma iflag lase South Africa. It's a token that says we are enough now, things must run to South Africans. Thina sinawo government asibeni nje honest asinawo government ngoba if besino government ubezosicabangela qala because it's city slogan South African first. So yena uthi foreigners first, South African after. So asikwazi ukuthi sithi sino government asinawo thina government. Kwamele siphinde sithola umuntu ozoba ugovernment ozokwazi ukusilida ngendlela ezonakekela abantu besizwe sase South Africa. Ibhlungu into yalana ngoba siyathula sibukele kuloko lokwenzeka. Yazi wena Prince we were micromanaged dala safakwa lengqondo yokuthi sithi hayi ku right konke ku right for 30 years silobele sihamba kuleyo ndlela leyo kodwa singaboni kokunye ukubone kokunye kube nalento ethi hayi mara uyayibona siphile ngo hayi mara for 30 years sithi sikwinkululeko. Which freedom were we talking about? Because inkululeko asinayo thina. Inkululeko yala eSouth Africa eyama foreigners akhululekile la ecountry yethu. Omuphi lo South Africa is very rich, let's be honest. I-rich is South Africa kakhulu futhi. So yingakho nibona bonke abodlothovu bazothi qathatha la eSouth Africa because bayazi ukuthi bazodla basuthe. So into ebhlungu ukuthi now they are killing our kids. Ngalo powder abalobele bawuphusha.
Musani usebenza lelo musu kusebenzisa lelo gama.
Upowder.
No nalelo K konke bafethu.
Okay. Sizodlula la. Si enough Prince. Kokunye mhlambe kubo live ifaneke ba understand ukuthi nikhuluma kuma South Africans who are wounded. Khana siphaphama. iSouth Africa all along beyisebuthongweni. So manje khona siphaphama. So masiphaphama yonke into kuyaphakama, imimoya iyaphakama manje ukuthi uyazi mawuthola ulive onje okwazi ukunenza ukuthi ibhodlani niphole. Sifuna ukubhodla sibe right. Enye eyiconcern futhi kimi kakhulu ukuthi again us as South African we are protecting these people. Why I'm saying that? Sinama security clusters awala eMzansi who are dead set in protecting them for the sake yokuthi they are getting paid. So uyayibuza uyiphendula ukuthi uma ngabe wena South Africa uzolimaza i-country yakho nama fellow South Africans wakini siyaphi kahle kahle, what are you saying, what are you telling us? Should we trust you? Because ngempela ithemba kulaba abantu bakithi alisekho. Angeke nivikele abantu abazosilimaza la i-country nethu. Ngeke kuze kukulunge, ngeke sikuvumele futhi lokho. Asiphumeni ke ma South Africans, let's go out in numbers. Ngeyi30 hayi ngeviolence, hayi ngani, sibe calm and collected, but let us make a mark. Ekugcineni manje we need to make a mark and show labantu bokuhamba ukuthi la kule country we are enough. Yingakho bedelela kanje noma ukhuluma nabo bazositshela ukuthi silezi bafike nini kube nalento yethu nathi futhi umuntu azothi hayi labantu mabangahambi ngoba bayasiza, banisiza ngeibhaza shop. Sasingenazo thina ibhaza shop way back, besinazi ibhaza shop and they were running smooth. Ngalobu khonyovu bo government esikuwo kugcina ama spaza shop sewangasaboni aphela amaningi. So bebazi ukuthi ba-maneuver abantu bokuhamba ukuthi makube yiba abazongena babe dominant la in this country. So sikhathele and ngempela ke siyekeleni ukuthengisana. Siyathengisana sabantu abansundu. Ake siyekeleni ukuthengisana. Mawungithengisa ucabanga ukuthi wena uzophila impilo engcono ngoba uye emgodini day by day. We are sinking. This ship as South Africa is sinking day by day. So mawungithengisa ngeke email obelisela on the sea, it will sink somewhere somehow. Ake sibambaneni manje. Yabona manje as South African we need unity, we need to come together. Let us rally together. Kungabi khosala ngasemuva. Kodwa limile wena Prince Mfethu abokuhamba mabasidedele. Angeke kuzohlukunyezwa abomama barejwe ngalendlela.
Hayibo
Intengi ukudlwengulwa badlwengulwe abomama bethu ngalendlela kube bhlungu kanje. Umuntu ayikhuluma into uyizwe ukuthi ishaya nakumuntu omama enhlizweni. It cuts deep into ekhulunywa umama lo bekekhuluma asibekela udaba lwakhe. Akukuhlanga ukuthi namhlanje kuzoyenzakala izimo ezifana njengalezi bese kuyathuleka sithi all is well. Hayi manje all is well ake simrapeni sithi manje we are going forward. Amandla.
Salute. Thank you Comrade Faith. Comrade Bongi, come in.
Sanibonani, niyaphila nonke kwipanel nababukayo. Sibonge
Right, leader.
Sibonge nkosami ngoyihost le. Ngiyayizwa inkulumo sengithe ukungena ngalalela. Angizukuba mude kakhulu kodwa ngiyabeza impela hayi bayashaya impela ubani ubhutu uchonco. Ngiyamuzwa impela uhambisana nathi impela ukuthi hayi kuyiwa kuphi. Yazi bafethu manje ngicela ukuqala ngale kunomfethu la uthe unomntwana oyi-qualified chef.
No, my son, he had to go overseas.
Uphula eMzansi.
No, he went back to the States.
Uyobuya nini?
It's a yearly njengoba ehambe manje kuze kube next year before ebuye.
Ayike akunankinga sizokukhuluma eceleni lokho ukuthi bengithi ukhona la bengizovele ngithi hayi okuhle nje ukuthi ayivulele into yakhe then i-connection nani ukuthi ayimiphi iminyango azenzele imali yakhe dan ukulinda ukuqashwa ama-restaurant ala hayi akakhohlwe lapho kugcwele bona laba bokufika abakhokhelwa imali encane and njengeke uzokhompithe futhi nabo okuzomsiza bekuyikona ukuthi ayivulele nje into yakhe. Uyabona? Kodwa kunankinga ikhona nami number yami kwi-bio sizokhuluma eceleni singakhulumi la kwi-panel. Ngibuyele back to ukuthi yazi into engiyibonayo asisamdingi thina ngempela uhulumeni, asimdingi upresident okwamanje. Noma singathola nje umuntu ozobambisa ozosiza ezweni lethu into esiyidingayo kwamanje. Umuntu esazi ukuthi menge ungenile laphana uzolisana nani. Sekumoshakele amanzi angenile endlini. la abantu bangaphandle yibo abanamabhizinisi ukudlula abantu basemzansi. Uma ungabuyela back ey'tolo zabazali bethu ezazikhona, ngikhuluma ngey'tolo ey'nkulu, hayi lamakopi ama-spaza shop akhona abenza imali kuwona. And lama-spaza shop akwenziwa i-grocery kuphela, inkulu into eyenziwa lapha phakathi. Kuningi abakudayisayo laphaya engeke ngikwazi ukukumenshina khona la ngoba singaze siblokhelwe ama-live. Kodwa uma ungabuyela back ey'tolo zabafowethu, ey'tolo zabazali bethu sisakhula, la uyothenga khona uzuyothenga ngisho uparafini ezazi-operator kahle kuhamba kahle. Kodwa uma uthi uyabheka ezalaba ze-operator kakhulu, sisenkingeni enkulu. Ziwile ezinye kukhishwa ama-frame, imali kwakuyimali yabo leyana. Uma bengasizakala babuyele back, kubuye kuvulwe lezo y'tolo lezo. Bese nasemalokishini kube yitolo ube umSouth Africa noma ngaba umnikazi womuzi loyo ayivulela i-tuck shop yakhe, kodwa udinga i-funding, udinga usizo. Thina asiyithola i-funding ingobani? Ingoba phela sama-South Africans, kodwa labantu bona bayayithola. Ba-aplya manje bayithole manje imali and bayasizana thina ama-South African okunye asithandani. Ngikubone bhuti ukuthi une-tuck shop uyastrugglisha ngestock engabe siyahlanganisa njengalaba abanye abantu ukuthi wena uye phambili but asikwenzi. Kodwa manje I think wonke umuntu usevuleka amehlo nengqondo siyasebenza, sesiyabona ukuthi hayibo kahle kahle besizothathela izwe lethu la, as if thina siyazi into esiyenzayo. Sibe sazi kahle just i-capital engabi khona esishaya abantu abamnyama abase-South Africa, uyabona. Kodwa manje ugovernment wethu kube kade esizwa nakhona makuthiwa uyo-aplayela i-funding, uyo-aplayela i-grant ye-60,000 ukuvula i-tuck shop, kuzokuthatha boma 2-3 years ibuye ungaqualify.
Kuthiwa awuna collateral.
Yes, kodwa makulaba abangaphandle usevulile ubani. Uma ungathi uyabheka lapha edrobheni la eGondi CBD, yibo bonke aba-ona la ma-building, aba-ona iy'tolo ngoba baqale kuphi? Kulabantu bethu abakhulu babafumbathisa imali. Uyabona, wena manje mangathi hamba uyofuna i-building oyibonayo kudala yama laphaya, ngeke uze uyithole, kodwa uyi-South African bazokutshela umdanto ofuna iy'nto eziningi, uhambe uyoyifuna ubuye nazo, ngeke uze ungene wena. Why? Because laba ngisho imiliyoni kubona ngathi i-R1 bakufumbathise labantu bethu, yibona abasifeyilayo labantu esabavotela sababeka laphaya abafumbathiswayo. Thina shuthi imali eSouth Africa isifanele. Wena ngicabanga ukuthi mangikhuphula wena uzoba imillionaire, uzoba rich wena, uzongidlula wena, but uprefera ukuthini wenza umuntu wangaphandle ngomcebo wase-South Africa. Mina ngiyabonga kakhulu nje kwi-March and March, ngiyamsalute uSis Jacinta, ngiyabasupporta bonke, ngiyabasaluta bonke abongizwe abophakela umthakathi nje badinga thina, badinga isupport yethu. Nanokuthi umbhuti uChonco uthe mangama nje yonke into nge-30 bafethu yabo, mangama yonke into asiyidingi ezinye izinto eziphuma ngaphandle efika ngemkhumbi lapha, siyakwazi ukuzenzela la eSouth Africa. But ngeke bakwazi ukukunika wena ngoba babone ngathi uwesho ukuthi uzoya phezulu and ngeke babenefite kuwena, so bayabenefita kulabantu lezinto la isuka khona la. Sinodade wethu labakwaziyo ukuthenga izinto ngaphandle. Buka nje manje mangakanani ama-fake akhona la eSouth Africa. Buka nje e-Small Street kunjani. Buka ama-shop ethu kakhokha i-rent, akhokha i-tax, wona wasathengelwa kahle ngoba abantu bagijimele lezi zinto leziyana. Uyakuvuma futhi thina uhulumeni wethu, then thina sithule sifold izandla ngoba thina sini soluke sathi yebo baba. Asisamdingi upresident okwamanje, sidinga umuntu ozokwazi ukulwa nathi alwele izwe lethu. Labantu bagcwele mfethu ene bayadelela, bagcwele angeke sesiyahluleka vele nokuba control manje, but sesiyadingana. Sidinga manje isotsha, sidinga iphoyisa ukulwisana nayo yonke lento. Uzubone namaphoyisa nje bethatha lezi zinto lezi uthole bayabanika lokho abanika kona. Yingoba upresident wethu waswitcha laphana emasalarini abo ukuthi ngizonishodisa nina nizohola less than 20,000, ngizohola less than 10,000 wena. Obvious mayifika into encane umuntu ethi hey now 50,000 iningi kabi leyo into leyo kuyena. So bengavala lokho ahole kahle amaphoyisa ethu bese basebenzisana nama-private securities. Lento ingaphela. Awukwazi ukuzokhipha imali engako 600 and something billion, 20 billion or million.
Half a billion.
Yes, uyabona ukuthi half a billion leyo, but awukwazi ukuqasha ama-security private companies ezinama-security ukulwa yonke lento ese-South Africa kuyena akucabangayo ucabanga ukuprotecta labantu than ukuprotecta iy'ngane zakhe ezweni lakhe. Buka upresident waseZimbabwe uthe yena akazi ukuthi iy'ngane zakhe azikho ekhaya, azibone zibuya kanjani ekhaya. Lo wethu akanandaba naku-ke sekunje kodwa bayafidwa bayaphakelwa laphaya. Yazi uzucabanga usathane ukuthi hey madoda angifuni nokusho kaze kuthiwa ubonga uNthebe, uyabona uyasifeyila lo baba
ulaka lakho
futhi uyasizonda. Yingakho ngize ngithi mina lo muntu akusiyo i-South African awukwazi ukuthi usifeyile kanje. Yabo manje ake sikhohlwe nje indaba yepolitiki. Ipolitiki kwamanje nje ayisebenzeli. Ayike imeceleni sidinga nje umuntu ozosimela lapha phezulu sikuzwiwe izwi lakhe mangabe ethi amasotsha waphume wonke azodila nalabantu bangaphandle, not ukuthi azodila nabantu abadila nalabantu bangaphandle. Awukwazi ukwenza lokho ezweni labantu abakuvotele.
yazi Sisibongi, ubona nje lapha usihlalo wethu loya umcomrade uMahlangu uSifiso uJacinta, because a lot of people have been asking ukuthi MK imephi, and then we would say ukuthi no sihamba nayo i-marshal march. Why? Before uba MK, before uba anything, you are first a citizen. You are first a citizen, and if ever MK ithi izolekelela abantu babe nenkinga kumele balalele. It must stand side by side. It must stand hand to hand, shoulder to shoulder with the people. If uthi government, this is why uyabona leto Mr. Conco ukuthi i-government le ekhona ayibalalela abantu ayibezwa. If beyibalalela abantu ngabe ikhona la on the ground nathi ithi okay siyanizwa sivala country. Lento ilula mfethu, ilula ngalendlela eqhaku kwenza. Valley country, and then from there on si sorter out home affairs wethu, si sorter out amajele wethu, si sorter out imithetho yethu, and then from there on country siyayivula, and then people can come back in ngomthetho. Yini into enzima lapho?
Ayikho mfowethu. Ngicela nje ukwenza umzekelo, awungitshele yini enzima nelula upresident wethu mengikwazi ukusupplya amajele ngeuniform namashidi namablanket kodwa ahluleke ukusupplya izikolo zale ingane eziswele ezidinga ngempela izinto. Kumele kuphume i-purchase order kuqala iround yofuna ukuthi lento ifanele bani. Yindaba nalento le ka 350 umuntu ongaphandle athola 350, umuntu olapha ngaphakathi athole le mali engaka. Yingoba ngithi kudliwa le mali kumele kuphume into eningi eyangale. Abafowethu manje ngendlela ababhayiziseke ngayo, umuntu azangafuna ukuyosebenza ngoba usaba ukuthi kuzovalele ku-350 rand wakhe, ngoba basatshisiwe ukuthi mawuzosebenza uphinde uhole uzovalwa lo 350. Ogogo bethu basaba nokuvotela ezinye amanye amaqembu ngoba basaba ukuthi lo baba uthi uzoyivala le mali yabo, which is not true. Akusiyo imali yakhe leyani. Hey bayazi mina iveli ingicasule lento le.
It's fine. Athi sizo ulizwe uthini? Comrade Lizwe come in.
Ngiyabonga mfethu, ngicela ukuphuma bakini ngibonge.
Chap.
Ngikhiphe bu.
Sanibona. Siyabonga ukuthi Sisibongi. Siyabonga kakhulu. Konakele ezweni lethu. Singakhuluma kushona ilanga kuze kuse ngakusasa. Kade ngibuka nje indaba obugebengu. Le ndaba obugebengu inkinga kakhulu. Ngoba kade sijabula kule nyanga ezidlule umkhwanazi siklinela esibulalela labafana abagangayo abahluphayo abahijackayo abenzana sijabula sithi wenza into enhle. Namhlanje sivikela abantu bokufika sithi abangashawa njengoba besigolozela besidelela beshaya amaphoyisa ethu, sithi abangenziwa lutho kodwa besijabula kubulawa ingane zethu ezenziwa ibona lana bangaphandle njengoba belana phela ibona abadala yonke lento. Ibona abadala ukuthi umsebenzi ungabikho. Uzubona ukuthi ingane idutshulwa kanjani ziyoganga kodwa iyeke ukuyoganga. ngobani ayikho enye indlela mebengayi bazophila ngani iningi labo bayondla emakhaya ngale mali abaganga ngayo bethanda bengathandi kufiwa kunjani baqhubeka baye koganga yini ubulimi esibenzayo siyabona ukuthi uhulumeni yonke lento isuka lapha kuhulumeni kodwa ingqondo zethu eyilalisa uzuma kwaliwa izwe lonke la kuthiwa kaphuma waphuma yini esihlula ukuthi sikhiphe lo muntu osidalela inkinga kuyimanje sisenkingeni umhlaba wonke siphizise silwa sodwa ngenxa yabani yahulumeni masingaketula uhulumeni namhlanje kusasa yonke into ingavuka i-right umuntu osinika inkinga la uhulumeni lani bokufika abahambe kunjani abahambe vele izwe lethu bazoliphendula lifane nasemazweni abo so gcina vele nathi sineyingane ezilahlekayo sithule ezu50 zamantombazana sithule uzubona banobulwane obungakanani labantu nithula kanjani kufike kuqoqa amantombazane nabantu besifazane ekhanjwe nabo
hayi
nithula kanjani
Lizwi, you see that's
ilwane labantu
that is the
sizogcina izilwane ezweni lethu sihleli nezilwane kodwa sihleli senze ngathi akwenzeka ngalutho bafethu ngeke mina iyangidina lento iyangidina wangempela angihlangani nalento
ifuna icike
ifuni ingivusela ngolaka ukuthi angilwe noma inini lantu bazohamba bethanda bengathandi kusukela ngomhla 1 isitolo esizobe sivuliwe fake kudilwe nabo ngendlela enzima kakhulu
nabathenga
ngoba
khona
indlela abasidelela ngayo benza ngenkani bayabona ukuthi bayavikelwa ingakho bengahambile kuyimanje baningi abantu abangahambile njengamanje bayatshelwa nini ukuthi abahamba akufanele ngabasaphithize emaThekwini lapha bangena emabhasini uma ubheka kahle akufanele abe kunjalo kwakufanele kuphume igama elithi abantu abahambe bahambe ngokushela kodwa kwenzeki ngobani bafuna ukubona sokwenzani banenkolelo ukuthi ngeke sibenze lutho nizobona into ezokwenzeka
ungabusasho
nizobona
ivale
nizobona bafethu kungcono sife makufanele sife izwe lethu leli silungisela bezayo asazi mhlawumbe ohlule ukuyilwela fabalwele yithini uma kufanele sidlule emhlabeni asidlule emhlabeni kodwa sidlule kukhona okwenzekile izwe vele ihlezi izinto ihlezi zilungiswa ngalendlela ekuzokwenzeka ngayo vele nithanda ningathandi lizolunga ngalendlela esizokwenza ngayo sizoyenza ngingangasho kodwa niyazi ukuthi sizoyenza lento izokwenzeka oJacinta nophakela umthakathi nongizi ngeke nitshele konke thina sibhlungu ngendlela eyisimanga kuningi mina la khona inkampani la elaphezulu kugcwele besuthu kugcwele abantu bokufika le nkampani ekuthiwa yabaleka eChina kuthiwa iyabaleka eLesotho baxoxe eLesotho njwabela baqasha abantu bokufika kugcwele ungabona la mase kunyuka ukuthi semajalidini la ngikhona uyazi abantu emajalidini banaka indaba zabo bahlezi beyihlalela endlini mangaphuma manje ngivula ikhamera lamnyango ngingawuhlala u30 minutes kungadlulanga ngisho umuntu i-hour u2 hours uyaphela la kulomgaqo wami kungadlulanga umuntu kodwa bafethu elethu lelizwe malingalwelwa yithina akekho olwela asicabangeleni izingane lezi iza nathi abadlula basicabangela njengoba kwaba khona uJune 16 sacatshangelwa ilaba babe ngaphambili nathi asicabangeleni abezayo lento ihisihlezi iphinda akukho ngathi lento iyona injalo nje izolunga kunjani ngiyema lapho.
Okay, siyabonga comrade Lizwi. Before sifaka abanye I think umholi wami lo comrade Matikizela uwe. Morning leader.
Morning. I would really love to participate in the conversation.
Okay, you'll come back, but it is ufake ugogo and then kungena unana and then unathandi uzogcina leader kuphinde kungene umxolisi uHani but then uzogcina leader. Come in oh nangu ugogo yaphuma. Nana come in kade ulindile.
Hey ngibingelele ama comrade lapho ngaphakathi ngihleli kulo live ngoba ngizwa khona into ephakamayo. Ngomunye waba u1976 ngiyayisupport i-Mashini Mash kakhulu. Kune video engilalele yasophongole emavikini edlule. Abantu bokuhamba la ngeke bahambe bengakathintwa, kufanele bathintwe. Kumanje la ngikhona eWest Rand. Kulindeke ukuthi kumashwe. Ilokhu ipostponwa every day. Namhlanje kufanele ngabe iMashini Mash la estradini. La ngikhona akusiforena kuyafiwa. Ama-foreigner supportwa ngamaphoyisa ngoba adla nawo kuleya nto yeni mining illegal mining amazamazama
Yeah.
abahlale ngihleli kubo akukho nto enyakazayo. We understand ngoba ngila kule panel ngathi ngiyaduduzeka kodwa ngathi ngithukuthela kakhulu ngoba fanele kube khona into eyenzakalayo. Abantu bokuhamba angeke baze bahambe la bengakathintwa. Ushetsinta kusungulwe iMashini Mash ezwakalayo. Kodwa mina ngokwami I don't think ukuthi kufanele igcine kamnandi ngoba asizwakali. Ngomunye owayekhona ngo-1976. Lezi izalukwazi ezilingana nami zango-76 kube ingavuka zibe zintsha. Into yabantu abokuhamba ngabe isiphelile kumanje. Ngiyabonga angikhona ukukhuluma ngithukuthele. Ngakhona akwenzeki lutho la ngingakhona akwenzeki lutho.
Use West Rand kuphi ma?
Ngise eKagiso.
Uyazi kunama comrade wethu lapha eBekesdal adujuliwe.
Ngiyawazi.
Yes.
Ngiyawazi.
Le ndawo le akusindawo eright lapha. Kunabesuthu
Makuse khona abantu abanjalo yini le elungiswayo. Abantu uma bengakhulumi ngazwi linye ukuthi abantu bokuhamba mabahambe. Sizosala silungisa lokho okumoshakele okula ezweni lethu. Uma kusaba njengoba ngibonile insizwa yilele lapha eBekesdal. Yini into ezolunga? Kumanje ama-comrade omkhonto la sengibathe ngithintwa noma umuphi ukuthi abantu bavinjwa kanjani kungamasho angitholi muntu. Ngikwenye indawo bakwethu.
No.
Kwenye indawo edinga ukuthi akusuke hleze igoli elinye ngaphandle bathi ukusondela nizosinceda ngapha.
No. Sizokhuluma nama-comrades ase West Rand. Sibone ukuthi isenza kanjani leader. Ithi singayithembisi and futhi ukuthi ayikhulunyelwa eziko. Uyozufike lapha sebekulindile. No, salute. Siyazwa bafethu sizolungisa. Kuthule ukuthi akwenzeki lutho. Siyabonga ma. Mashani bafethu mashani ni 2 ni 3 kaleni ni follow live. Ngicela bafethu wonke umuntu ola a follow live. Press follow and then bese uyam reposter u live. Bese uyam reposter bese uthumela iRose eli1 bese you tap on screen so that u live wethu uzoba mkhulu. U live wethu bafethu la asitidekanga ukuthi sithini. We are marching shoulder to shoulder with iMashini Mash. Bayikambe kahle iMashini Mash ukuthi iMashini Mash we are going to march until we win. We're going to persist until we succeed. That is what's going to happen. Follow live, press repost live. Make sure ukuthi sibabaningi so that our conversation can become bigger and bigger and bigger. We imagine see 20,000 la we need to reach at least 100k so that abantu nge-30 ba understand ukuthi akumove nix nge-30. If it becomes a stay away, kuba stay away. It must be peaceful. Ninga dlovi nix, ninga bulali umuntu, ninga yenzi nix ephambene nokomthetho because inkabi zegani, inkabi zikaRamaphosa zinilindile. Kuphume almost over $500 billion yemali ukuthi kuthengwe inkabi kuthengelwa abantu base South Africa. So you must be very careful how you proceed. So siyanicela abantu bakithi ukuthi wonke umuntu nge-date akaphume. I-country must come to a standstill. Mxasa, come in leader.
Sanibona futhi sanibona host nepanel yonke. Sengihleli kakhulu ngilindile sengize ngalahlelwa ama-point phela nekugayithisi yadlalela kimi ndoda idlala ngami ngiyakhohlwa. Kodwa kunento nami ezibalekile ngicabanga ukuthi ufuna sikhulume ngazo. from ekuqaleni ngisho kade ngifuna ukukhuluma nomfana bathi bani uRufus lo bekekhuluma la phansi la ebhala.
Yeah, Rudolph.
Rudolph, there are things that we need to inculcate over and over again until it sinks into South African minds, especially youth. We need to understand ukuthi izinto zihamba kanjani. Nama-foreigners aphinda agxamukele kwiindaba zethu kwamanye ama-live. Bethi thina we are xenophobic, why sixosha ama-black foreigners, singabaxoshi abamhlophe. We need to understand this. As a country, we do have everything, nama-minerals now. But manje ama-minerals awakwazi ukuzisebenza, adinga ama-investors. So, labantu abamhlophe sinabo la eSouth Africa, they are investors. Yibona abavulele inkampani eziningi eziqhasha umphakathi. So we need them ngoba beze ngomthetho ngendlela e-right. They are legal in South Africa. Point number one. Number two, the community is benefiting from that. We need them. Hayi ama-African foreigners abeza bengaphethe lutho kodwa abazobulala isizwe, abazombosha isizwe, ekuyibona abandisa i-corruption.
Hold on Mxasa, sorry, ubani lo kuma comment bafethu mina anginalanga lonke umuntu okhomba nayo la kuma comment ngimfaka indlela. Just said ukuthi ama narrator wami awekho namhlanje, ama moderator wami awekho namhlanje, but mina anginalanga lonke bafethu asidlali la, sifuna i-country to back. We are not playing games here. Anyone who's usigeslata la akahambe akabuyele ezweni lakhe akaye abayozivulela ulive wabo. Asinankinga thina la sizokhuluma with South Africans who wants real change. Kunomama okhalile la bekadlwe ngulwa, istory sakhe besibhlungu. Yabona namanje I'm still shocked. I'm still shocked. Angiko sharp. Why? Because we are hearing ukuthi umama akasakhona ukulala engaqishanga umama usuke akakhona ukulala engaqishanga igesi nasemini ukhizi ukhipha ulighter iglobe. Why? Because ngalendlela abamdlengula ngayo she's still traumatized. She had to leave la ehlala khona. So itori ezinjalo bafethu we can't tolerate such nonsense. Yes Mxasa.
Ngiyabonga. So angeke accommodate ama-foreigners ngoba emnyama. This thing is not about the color, people. It's about ama-actions abantu, izinto abazenza ezikhohlakele. Labantu abasithandi. Zingakhi ingane ilahlekile la emalokishini. We know sinama-groups la emalokishini. Zilahleka ingane njalo. Nabantu balahleka njalo abantu abatholakali. Laba bantu bathatha abantu laba ubathengisa, especially ingane zethu. Manje usho ukuthini mawuthi we must keep these people besitshontshela ingane bethengisa ingane. Babhizi bathengisa i-powder. These people ngisho jobe kungababona. Bahlala beblomile ilanga lonke baneyitorinyana abantu babamba amahlathi. There's nothing happening. Akungena muntu nakulezo yitoro. Lize lishona ilanga kodwa lo muntu uhamba ngemoto enhle enkulu, lo muntu akayiswela imali mayivula nje isikhwama ekhipha imali ukhipha ibukubuku kodwa uzibuza ulithola phi ngoba lesiphaza sakho lesitoro sakhe asikho busy asisebenzi. Yabo, so we know ukuthi abantu benzani bazomosha la country nethu. Number 2, khona omunye kwenye live benguyizolo bakhuluma ngendaba ukuthi iSouth Africa ine high rate ye crime. It's not only South Africans abenza le crime. Abantu bangaphandle, especially ama-Zimbabweans, yiwona akhuthuza thina siyazi ngoba sihlala siseJozi. We know, we've seen them several times. Bayenza emini bakhuthuza osisi bethu phambi kwethu because abantu abaqhamuka beyimo bebaningi babe emakhoneni. Wa-approachwa yi-4 kunenye i-4 kulela khona ngasemuva, kune-4 kunye khona manje ngaphambili emaceleni khona abanye abagadi waphazamisa le mission yabo, then they attack you too. So they've been doing this thing for a very, very long time. Abatholakala abantu ngoba abekho ku system yethu. Kuneyilima kuma live ezibuza ukuthi i-country enjani engazi abantu abaphakathi bayingakhi. Ubazi kanjani ngoba bangene illegal. Yasho they are illegal. So abakountwanga. They are not in our system. We don't know how many are they. Labantu noma ukuthola ama fingerprints babazama ukuwatracer abathoda umuntu uqhamukaphi ubani wakuphi. Sinaleyo nkinga bagcwele la. Number 3, labantu ibona abathenga lama-ID okuthenga ama-30,000. bathenga kunabantu abathengisa izwe esinabo abaphethe izinhlangano futhi abakhona abaziwayo bathengisa ama-ID bathengisa izwe lethu. Ngibona kwenye ilona ngiyitholela kulona ku-TikTok lapho kuvezwe isithombe kugcwele amaPakistani abantu bangaphandle bagqoke izikipa zenhlangano ze-ANC. How come lan babe sebengena kwinhlangano yingoba ibenzelwe ama-ID bazovotela le inhlangano. Asikhulume nje amaqiniso singayifihli le. We don't need to hide anything. We have a freedom of speech la funa sizikhulume izinto. Inkohlakale khona bewina nje bawina abantu bangaphandle. And abantu bangaphandle babhadala imali ezinkulu ukuthi bangene la. Bathenjiswa izinto ezinkulu la eSouth Africa. So thina ama-South Africans sikhishwa ngaphandle kufakwa abantu bangaphandle ngaphakathi. Yibona manje beyi-first preference. Number 3 thina sikumabhizinisi onandolo. Wadunga a lot of things la. Siyazama siyahlanganisa. Ngizwile khona okukhulumayo ukuthi sinama-mine la eSouth Africa. Kodwa izinto ziya ngaphandle. Ngizonichazela ngikwi-mining njengoba ngeke ngabhala lapha phansi. Esingkwi-mining for example kune-chrome or a mine owner ene-chrome. Ubani la eSouth Africa ozothenga i-chrome ngoba ezoyenzani? I-chrome ithengwa ama-country angaphandle vele. So lo muntu ufuna amandla ufuna athengisela abantu bangaphandle imali izongena kuphi ngaphakathi ikhuphule manje i-chrome. Sina gold iningi la mari funa kithenga ngiyezwa kunamapolitiki athi hey you cannot sell this gold to abantu bangaphandle. Okay uzoyithenga wena yini le gold lo muntu lona unemine uya-owna imine kunabantu abasebenza kunabantu afuna ababhatala unento afuna i-tax afuna ayibhatala kufuneka le gold ihambe. Ubani uzoyithenga la eSouth Africa maybe ayirefine? Asinabo abantu abanjalo okwamanje. So lo muntu unike kwenzani akathengise le gold aholela abantu abhadala i-tax izwe liqhubeke until abantu baze badevelop bakwazi ukungena nabo kulomkhakha. At least amalahla ikhona Eskom iyothenga amalahla kodwa ayiwathengi wonke. There's a certain spec Eskom ayithenga noma yiphi grade. Manje la amanye amalahla asedefuneka kwenziweni. They need to be so abantu abazi-understand lezo zinto lezo. That's why ngithi there are whites that we need. There are whites that we don't need. Ama-whites angama-investors anama-company South Africa aqasha abantu South Africa then abantu ba-benefita from those whites.
No.
Abanye abantu bakhuluma so baleka i-understanding ngalezi zinto.
Leader Mkasa, this is the part where a lot of people get it wrong. Ama-minerals was South Africa. There should be a wealth sovereignty fund. That is like a savings account here government. That any 60 to 80% of izinto ezimbiwa phansi South Africa must go to that wealth fund. It's not something new lento esikhuluma ngayo. Abo Norway bayayenza. Even iBotswana has something called a diamond fund. That fund, whatever simba phansi must go to that fund, and then from there on it pays for our schools, it pays for our roads, it pays for our clinics, and it pays for the country, and in fact it pays for education. So it pays for anything. So tina we are heavily taxed sinama minerals, which is a fallacy. So government le ekhona manje, it's not talking to that. But okamanje is that ukuthi sisadila ngama foreigner. Because yiwo esingakhona ukuthi sifike lapha kulama company wabongamla, because ingamla zidila nge-cheap labor. So masikipha le cheap labor, sikipha le yobisi, sikipha yonke le nyaka le. We can actually now say okay, go to the next chapter. So abantu, that's why thina usibona sijabuleka abantu bayaphakama, abantu akusamelanga bahlale phansi because even nala kuyabheka. Even nala kuyabheka. So ahlule lapho comrade Mkasa ivale sifake unathi sizofaka abakhulu abangiphethe. Yabona le comrade elime eduze kaJa Sinta elifawumhlolo yile lapha phezulu silibiza uMatikisi. Kami nathi
hayi ngomkhonto mina ngiphendula uphendula
hayi no angeze uba mude kakhulu ngizile izinkulumo ngoba ezinye vele izinto kade ngizozisho but bafethu mina into engayibuza ukuthi kungani la abantu abalapha labo ogogo nomkhulu abagcwele lapha kuyilokozaneni kwiParliament lethu ngoba uwona bebalansa kanje amalokuzaneni wona ama-foreigner lawo citizen kwaqosha yibo labantu laba abalapha omagogo ngoba bafuna ukudla imali eqhamuka uyibona eqhamuka nje ngo-6 million abaqhamukayo ngabo and futhi imali le musubuza ngempela iqhamuka le mali ngokukhulu okusheshe ongaka imali vele khona. So ke manje ngoba bayazi ukuthi le mali sebefuna ukuyisebenzisa ngalendlela ukuthi khona bazoyidla bona yabo bayisebenzisa ngalendlela bafuna ukuyisebenzisa ngayo ngoba end of the day hleze siba namamashi la akazi ukuphuma imali engaka why sikuthiwa le mali izophuma imali engaka ngoba zokuba khona le mashi. Mina into engayisho nje fa kube khona indlela ukuthi khishwe labo gogo abalapha nezalukwazi kungena abantu abasha. That's why ubona manje ilokhuzaneni icrime ingaka nabantu abasha benza abasebenzi. Even nathi thina la kuma lokhuzaneni kuma parties zethu sesithi umuntu siyamgroma kodwa end of the day kumgroma lo muntu lo uphelelaphi yabo ngoba egcineni faka bugroma umuntu agcine elapha eParliament yabo azokwazi ukuthi asho zonke lamalokhuzaneni lezi zinto lezi ama-ideas. Kumanje iChina ubona iChina nje ine-economy engaka ubheka eParliament labo abantu abakhona laphana igenge nje ubona ukuthi abantu abasanama-ideas amasha ubona iChina nje manje ngamanje ngendlela eyiyona yabo ilozo zinto lezi hayi ukuthi sakhona amalokhuzana abantu abawogogo nezalukwazi. That's why ibona ngendlela beneyinkani ngayo kanje because now sebesibamba ngani ngama-German hand ngoba yabona ukuthi no sesifuna ukubaphuca lo umnotho babo ubumnandi. So that's why ubona belwa kangaka namalokhuzaneni ukuthi bangafuni ukuthi kukhishwa ama-foreign njengoba kade kukhuluma noVavi. uVavi uyangixaka uVavi ngoba izi one kade recently ngendaba ukuthi sinabantu lana abangaphandle abaningi kakhulu abakwazi ukuthatha abenza ama-traffic human traffic bathatha ney'ngane but today uyena manje usenze njani sephikisa futhi iyona lento manje eyenziwa yini i-community yabo uthi ama-foreigner wayiqoshwa ama-foreigner ngoba bona nabo babantu abade bevele bephila ngabo yabo thina lonto le asingene kulona ngoba kune-history yabo. Thina sifuna ukuthi lana sikwazi ukuthi nasiphileni ngendlela efanele iy'mali ezifuna iphume zidlo yithina la ngaphakathi kodwa manje end of the day ugovernment wethu awukwazi ukuthi usikhiphele ilokhuzaneni usikhiphele iy'mali lezi ufanele ngabe uyayikhipha ngendlela efanele ngoba nina kukhona labantu abakhona. End of the day lezo y'mali gcine sezinjani seziduka njengoba kadesho lapha umama usephumile lo ndaba zokwenza amabhizinisi imali beyiphuma la zokuxhaso zamalokhuzaneni zama-tuck shop ziyaphuma. Nangu lo mama lo okuyena ngisazi lo wakuphi noma ngalo waseNkhebheni lo minister leyo wayilokhuzaneni yabo ukuyena owekhipha lezo imali lo mama loyo lo usisi lwani kade namanje kusane case ebhelene naye ukuthi zikuphi lezi imali zishoniphi yabo ngoba end of the day kusasa bazothi lama-tuck shop mevuleka siwathathe thina abantu nje egcineni singakwazi ukwa-operate ngoba nina because bona yibo abenza yonke lento le ngokulu ngobani benza lo corruption abawenzayo bafuna kona ukuthi thina abantu sihlulekile njengoba kwenzekile kumani kuma-lands njengama-farms. Kumanje ama-farms akaphethwe abantu laba phansi unaloko baphethwe yibona yabo. So lonto leyo kufanele sizameni ukuthi yonke from kusukela le eParliament sidila nabo yes kodwa vele fasidile nabo labantu laba bala njengamanje then masibuya siza kuyona eParliament sibakhiphe labantu then masibuya siza kwiParliament iyona into ezokwazi ukuthi ilunge madoda ngiyabonga.
No, thank you leadership. Thank you leader Nathi. Ngicela bafethu ungakafollow live awfollow follow the live repost it and make sure ukuthi you're tapping on the screen. Guys, you're not tapping on the screen. It is simple unless la sihlele namambuka sihlele nabantu abazosilalela ukuthi senza kanjani bazosimaka. But if you are part of us, tap on the screen, follow the creator, follow the creator, follow the live, and make sure ukuthi babaningi. Press on the heart lapha phezulu and make sure ukuthi live with Mabuyi. Kuningi sakuzokumele sikulungise country bafethu. March and March has helped us a lot ukuphakamisa ukuthi na inkinga ikhona la. So mayiloke aphakama amanyundululu kanje kuloko kuyavela. So thina we need la bafethu, if you're realizing now ukuthi we are now the media, we are now have to do everything ourselves, otherwise no one is going to tell us what to do, because in media is going to make sure ukuthi iyaku misleader, iyaku question in media. Every time ikhuluma ngeMarch March you have more questions than clarity. But March March is simple. Iti valley country guhambe ama foreigner, and then what happens silungise thina home affairs wethu silungise our migration laws, sibifape our borders, beef up our security within the country. Then the country can be open for business. But until that happens, we cannot function like this as well. Comrade Lamatikizel, come in, leader. We are based on Shaya. Please, Benino, Comrade Jacinta, Utini, what's going on? Tell us.
Thank you, Mphathi. Igama Andile Chalwe, the provincial spokesperson womkhonto wesizwe la eGauteng. Our orders are clear. We are joining March and March on the 30th. Thina la eGauteng ama-march azobe u2, kuzobe kukhona eyaseTshwane, kuzobe kukhona eyase-COJ. I'm going to share with you the meeting point ngoba besaqedelela izinto namaphoyisa ukuthi kuzohanja kanjani. So once I have that, I'm going to share it with you so you can share nama viewers. Okungiphatha kabuhlungu nje mina ukuthi i-government ikhiphi 600 million to take to ugada ama-South Africans. Kahle mphathi, this is 0.03% of our budget. That ama state resources ne i-tax intela yethu ezosetshenziswa ugada thina ngonxa yokuthi sithi enough is enough, sesifuna umhlaba wethu back. I think what we need to understand is this. Masilwa city abantu who are illegal must go back to their country. We want back isovereignty yethu ngoba ayisekho. Ngicela ukunibekisela nge Egypt. Egypt was predominantly abantu abamnyama. Kwakuyizwe labantu abamnyama. It was known as the land of black people. It has been taken over by ama-Arab to the point of they are destroying history as a Kemet, the original history abantu abamnyama. If we do not safeguard lento lena, this is what is going to happen like in South Africa. We are going to become foreigners in our own land. And thina umhlaba is very important to us because lapho zalelwa khona, you are the beneficiary of that land. Ngibekisele lo bhuti akade ekhuluma ngezinto zamama yini. Kudala emandulo magade inkosi esipha umhlaba. Ikakubheka la ikanyandeni kaThwala la. Ukubheka akakwazi ukuyodlisa inkomo zakhe lapha yana kaThwala. Kumele acele kaThwala ukuthi no, mina my land is dry. Sacela ningisize. Akavele ejump over. So the notion ukuthi ama border afika nabelungu is highly wrong. They were not bengabhalwa ngaphansi ama border. But bekwaziwa ukuthi lapha ikaThwala. Asikwazi ukuyodlisa inkomo zethu lapha. And whatever benefits are there in that land was benefiting abantu bakaThwala. Now, us as South Africans, we must be the beneficiaries of umhlaba wethu and whatever is here. Now, noma ngabe kuyafika abantu bangaphandle, uyibone lento nkokhela ukuthi sekuyi systematic invasion. Ngoba noma ngabe bakhona abantu aba illegal, how come there are so many? It's millions illegal immigrants. We askaze futhi kwalwa ukuthi we can have foreigners in the country. But when someone leaves Pakistan across a wonk and all of them, how is it possible? We have to really think that it must be systematic. Yenziwa ngamabomu. We are being invaded in our own country for a takeover, clearly esingayazi. So I am pleading with all MKP members, ne? In Joburg, in Tshwane, in KZN. Ngicela zinkokheli, it's time to ukulwela umhlaba wethu. It's time to fight for our own. We've never enjoyed even the fruits after apartheid. Saphume ezandleni zamabhunu. Lapha sithi naku sesiyakhanda khona, sesidayiswe uwo lo mbutho. Usidayisela kubantu abangaphandle. We now must fight this now. I plead ngoba it is 50 years after 1976. Let 30th of June be the time where we declare enough is enough. Can we enjoy as a South Africans? Thank you so much.
No. Thank you, Leader Lami. People are not understanding ukuthi silwelani. They're just thinking ukuthi sisukele because sisporekile. No. Bafethu la sizoyiviva until we win. We're gonna persist until we succeed. We're not gonna stop singaka succeed. But la khona sikhona. Bafethu do one thing. Follow the live. Follow the creator and make sure ukuthi we are repost to live. Silwelizwe lethu, we are here. Kunemashi eKZN, kunemashi eGauteng, eTshwane, kunemashi eCOG. We'll give you ama details as we are going shoulder to shoulder with Imash and Mash. We are going hand in hand. We are going side by side. If usalikhumbula iculo lika Paul McCartney elithi hand in hand, we sure we will never give up. Mele sishange isilungu ke kuloku. Uyakhumbula bebethi Zuma must go. Baningi kumele bahambe. Baningi. So thank you, Leader Matikizela. Ungahliki Leader Lami sisaxoxa bengithe ngo12 seku1. Maybe let's make it 1:30 to 2 o'clock and then see Valeni. It's been a long time. I think we've been here for almost, how long now? For almost 4 hours. But yeah, it's worth it because abantu bayakhona ukukhuluma and then people bafundisa abanye. There are people who do not know ukuthi kumashelwane. There are people abenza ngathi ababoni. There are people abagaslight abanye ukuthi why are we marching. Siyamkhumbula mfethu babzuma sihlupheka kanje mfethu unqamalala sasingahlupheki kanje unqamalala ekhona hey bakithi futhi Mandisa come in kade ungena uphuma leader Mandisa second.
Okay, sanibonani guys, ninjani?
Kunjani leader?
Siyaphila enginilalele guys niyakhuluma nikhuluma into if umuntu uthine eSouth Africa aba understand ukuthi why sixosha iforeigners angim understand lo muntu ukuthi uhlala kuphi yena. Number 1 kwi resources esingenazo ANC isihlulile as abantu base South Africa. It is not for us, right? Kwi 32 years ANC iku government azikho ningi as compared to but South Africa ilizwe linemali guys masifumeni, but look at izibhedlele zingakanani compared to imali South Africa enayo yabo. So with izinto ezincane esinazo funa sizibangisa nabantu bangaphandle most yabo bazelana illegally siyayazi nathi lonto leyo. Ndikwi sector ye business ngaze ngagcina ngiyeka because uya supply uyafaka ama prices ubangisana nabantu bangaphandle abazawu price far less than what you are pricing. Bayithathile nama tenders asisatholi lutho thina singaba la eSouth Africa. Kwi education in Gauteng we all know ukuthi like isystem yakhona wena umntwana ezaba ku grade 1 and grade 8 funeka uprove that like uhlala kuleyo area and then bamthathe umntwana. But abantwana bethu bathathwa bayolahlwa komalanglaagte kwindawo ezikude le about an hour from where I stay kugcwele kuthathwa abantwana be foreigners bafunda kwezi zikolo. So ezo zinto guys ziya frustrate. And my question kwi panel is that okay i30 ingapha kwakusasa ne and siyabona that like akuhambanga even i2% of abantu abala eSouth Africa. So what is the way forward after i30? Sithini siyaqhubeka peace sikhuluma ngayo or sithini. Number 2 abo phakela umthakathi abazubakho kuyo yonke ama provinces or even like in Gauteng in some areas la ngihlala khona mina ngisibona 20% of South Africans kugcwele foreigners yonke indawo bathathe bangenile kuma room bakwinto yonke uyayibona. One time ke ngayo approach amaphoyisa that like guys like if umuntu ufuna like ningani protector now if unifuna nami uqala imatch and match lana amaphoyisa ala eCosmo batsho straight ukuthi sisungalingi uyiqala bayokubulala ekseni abantu ungalinge uyicabange leyo nto because uyayazi i-economy yalana eCosmo yeyabantu bangaphandle and also abantu bala eCosmo ngama South Africans they are benefiting from abantu bangaphandle. So what are you saying? Hamba ungalinge uphinde uyicabange into enjalo. So we have indawo ezifana nalezo ukuthi siyafuna ukubana sincedwe but senza kanjani?
No, leader, it's simple. because usenginkabi uRamaphosa. After lapho, we must remove the government. It is that simple. South Africans must make this country to come to a standstill.
Government
Yes. Ikanu, not only Ramaphosa, the whole of government. Ikanu, about DA, about Patriotic Alliance. Yes, we must get rid of them.
With like if government ibinayo i600 million yokuthi kukuthini inkabi zoba nazizothini zizobulala ama South Africa anga ibebengena ithatha le mali part of yona baqale usebenza iborders from the day kwaba kwikhwele ukuthi labantu asibafuni lana the energy banayo bayi-invest ekuvaleni ama borders because into ezakwenzeka sizabakhipha but siyababona nako TikTok labantu ukuthi days ngiseZimbabwe hayi bantu akuhlaleki so labantu basazaphinde babuye because as long as our borders zisaseyilento ziyiyo like ngicabanga ukuthi we will be fighting a losing battle guys angazi noba ngisociety because it's not even 5% ehambile our borders asavulekile.
No, uyabona I march and march bayiqambe kahle. We are gonna march and march and march until kulunga Mandisa. This is the part you guys are not understanding. Get it into your head ukuthi ngeke siyeke ukumarcha ngeke siyeke ukulwa until South Africa ilunga. So whether they like it or whether bayida bahamba nge30 or bahamba nge1 or bahamba but bona bayahamba. No, ukuthi kubhlungu njengoba bagcwele la kulo live wethu. Masithi follow ama account, masithi thumelana ama gift. Sifuna ukubona ukuthi abobani abala. So we can gauge, we can see who's here. If you are South African, scale uthumele gift, scale uthumele ushare live and make sure ukuthi ufollow creator and make sure ukuthi yonke into yethu right. Yeah, no, but Bafethu, we are not gonna stop until we win. Until South Africa ibe iento esifuna ukuthi ibe iyo. This is where Mandisa, this is why we are here. This is why you know every time abantu bebuza ukuthi nizoyenza kanjani le nto because no one is akayilwisi but once my logo iviva kanje ilogo ihamba government ithukile manje we know they're going to get it wrong, we know for sure they're going to get it wrong, so therefore we must remove the government. This is where we are. That's why City Bafethu, do your part. Manje la, you are South African, scale ucofe, scale ushare live and make sure ukuthi you are becoming part of March and March.
Akuhlaleki kumakubo kanjani bana kuhlale kumakubo kanjani why nabo bengathathi lento isiyenza eSouth Africa bahambe bawulungisa amazwe wabo asibafuni thina sesihlulekile nje siyanukiselwa ngamakhopha wabo yonke nje asisabadingi.
Wisdom, come in, leader.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you,
Mandisa. Look add to what Mandisa is saying, Kaban. You know, it's so painful. Uguti ingane azama illegal immigrants, they can enter ikole without a paper. What community as South Africa need to understand, Uguti, leyo ngane maye esikoleni, right? Ibhadalelwa ubani? Ibhadalelwa i-tax yama South Africans. So i-government ifike yenze imithetho that affect you as a taxpayer. Ukuthi wena now you must pay for that space for someone who's here in the country illegal. And there is no way that the parent is paying any tax because they're in informal work. And noma besebenza bayaqashiswa ngoba abayilungu babenze i-slave labor angithi ngabo. So just even nendaba yebhedlela, they access ibhedlela but they do not pay tax. That is why we've got a collapsing infrastructure. You've got people who are accessing our public resources but they're not contributing to the public fund. So makunabantu abawu4 abacontributayo but 10 are using the system. Is the system not going to collapse? Of course it's going to collapse.
Yes. All we are saying, Tina, is that people must understand ukuthi umkhomiso ulingene into ndolo. It means ukuthi ama plate alingene abantu basendlini kuphela. we can't accommodate everyone else. It is not possible. This is why we are saying this. So people must understand. With the bafetu asibi nani nje hambani. Wisdom, come in, leader. Thank you, leader Matikiza.
Sharp angazi noma ngizwakala yini ngithanda ukubingelela.
Yeah, no, bingelela sambeni bafethu.
Okay, Sharp. Angibingelele kakhulu kuwe leadership ngibonge nabo bonke abakhona la. No, ngithi nami ake ngithi kusika elijikayo ngomunye uthukuthele kakhulu. Eyamika intukuthele inkulu ngoba lokho yaqala ngo1994 after ngibonile ukuthi ANC ngeke ilungise ngazi ngo1995 ukuthi ANC ngeke ilungise lelizwe and then ngaba nethemba bakufika unxamalala. Then mamjijela phansi and then kwacaca ukuthi vele kunje. Engifuna ukuqala ngakho ukuthi uRamaphosa must fall. Ngicabanga ukuthi siya understand iningi lethu mhlambe na uba singeke sikubeke ngosobala kwabanye. Kodwa nje lento eqalayo le izosiholela ekutheni nawe. uRamaphosa uzonda umuntu omnyama ngalendlela exa kusathana. Uyi-devil worshipper, uyi-member ye-Illuminati, yonke into ayenzayo uyenza ukuthi umuntu omnyama abe nenkinga. Okokuqala nje lento le ebayikhozile ukuthi sihlaye nalabantu bangaphandle isibangela i-stress, and leso stress leso abanye abantu ngeke basibone. Sibulela abantu, abanye abantu bafa nge-stroke, abanye abantu baphethwe i-depression. Iy'ngane zethu njengamanje kufanele ngabe yize ey'hamba phambili, abantu abasha badla ama-drugs adayiswa yilabantu. Njengamanje
uzosivalela ulive. Bakithi fundani ukukhuluma ku-TikTok, comrade Wisdom. Walibiza lelo gama uD noma wabiza lelo kubulala ngo-K. Bavele bawu-restrict ulive. Ungabisali uthi idakamizwa noma impuphu.
Oh yeah. So manje sinaleyo nkinga-ke. Thanks for correction, leadership. Sibuye singajwayele ukungena lento kodwa sesingena nje kule nto ngoba manje impi vele isi-on. Engifisa ukukubuza noma engifisa ukukuveza nje ngokusobala la. Uhulumeni wethu usekuvezile ngokusobala ukuthi umelene nathi. Njengamanje siyathola ukuthi uzosebenzisa u500 billion, more than $500 billion against us, protecting abantu abangenela illegally. Ngamanye amagama lo hulumeni we-JNU kaRamaphosa has already violated the constitution. He has already failed to uphold. He has already failed to protect even the constitution. Amasosha ala ezweni are here to protect us as South African citizens. But sithola isimo esithi ke ukhipha imali esikhundleni sokuthi ngabe le mali yovala ngayo amabhoda, ngabe le mali wakha ngayo ama-rehabilitation center, alungisa abafana bethu asebebulawa inyawupe, abafana bethu asebebulawa ilezi zinto lezi impuphu edayiswa yilabantu. Yena kunokuthi enze lokho ukhipha imali ukuthi thina silinyazelwe ini, silinyazelwe ukuthi silwela izwe lethu esifisa ukulishiyela iy'ngane zethu nalo zihlale kamnandi. Njengamanje inkinga esesibhekene nayo enkulu kunayo yonke into, asikho istrati la eSouth Africa esinganabo abantu bokufika. And then now even la engangihlala khona mina ekhaya bebekhona beberenta sebebaxoshileke vele manje. So njengamanje ke mina nansi ke into engisho ukuthi njengoba siqala njenge-30 umsebenzi, lo msebenzi siyoshaya sishanyele izwe lizilunge egcineni kosuku. Ubaba lo ophethe cha akehlike bafethu esihlalweni sakhe sobukhosi nabo bonke labantu ahamba nabo. Ngiyayifisa lento enzeke laphana elokhunjana eSri Lanka la khona okwajahwa khona laba abangama-politician bengena ngisho emfuleni benqunu ucwe bephanishwa ngendlela abantu abakhona babethukuthele ngayo. Cabanga ukuthi nathi yethu intukuthelo isisezingeni eliphezulu ngalendlela ukuthi ofikile embalula njengoba besihleka nje bekhululekile bedla imali benza yonke lento bekusho ngokusobala ukuthi bona bazoprotect ama foreigners. Ngiyamajina nje ukuthi ngiyafisa ukuthi ngathi impela kungafinye singasondela nasemzini yabo sithi ukubabona kancane sithi ukuxoxisana nabo sigijime nabe ezitradini kubonakala ukuthi ngathi akusahambi kahle ilokho mina engikufisayo bese ke abathandazayo siyacela nje bathandazele uJesinta bathandazele uphakela umthakathi nongizwe na wonke ama-comrade ethu mina ke ngingapha ke kwi-MK nakuba kulomsebenzi esiwenzayo njengamanje angigqamisi lokho ngoba manje si South Africa manje sesihlangene ukuthi ke manje silungise izwe lethu so ngifisa ukuthi ke wonke umuntu okhona nje la olalele akuveze ngokusobala mina la ngihamba khona namanje nje kuseni sengifike ngacabana nomusisi laphana bengithenga base sengikhokha laphana estoro salosisi egarage ngithi mina uthini nge-30 umbono wakho uthini athi hayi abaxolele ngithi mina what are you saying xoyela kanjani yabona abafana bethu bangamaphara badla impuphu edayisela abantu xoyela kanjani abantu abathatha millions and millions of job opportunities ngenxa ye-cheap labor uxolela kanjani abantu abazodestroya our women babathathe babadayisisa umzimba and then ngase ngithi hayi sengiyak-investigator ke manje awusho isibongo sakho bani asho ukuthi ngithi mina wena ke abakwaZulu abakwabani sengiyam-investigator ngoba uzothola ukuthi manje ngenxa ukuthi abantu abaningi sebeyasazi ngisho isiZulu ukusikhulumela banama-ID ayi-fake sekudingakala ukuthi sibabambe so sonke ke njengamanje lana umsebenzi esiwumele ukuthi sispreade le ndaba yokuthi ke wonke umuntu azi ukuthi kwenzakalani wonke umuntu azi ukuthi silwela izwe lethu wonke umuntu azi ukuthi silwela intsha yethu and then sifuna futhi umhlaba wethu nama-resources ukuthi sibe ne-control ngendlela izwe lethu elicebe ngayo akekho umuntu ongahlupheka futhi even nalama-RDP houses akhiwa yilo hulumeni we can even build better RDP houses if singalungisa lo hulumeni izitha zethu manje ziyi-3 izitha zethu abantu bokufika abangokuhamba ilabo Johan Rupert abacontrol ama-politicians nalama-politicians anikele ngomphefumulo wabo kulabantu so bonke ke labantu kufanele silwe nabo njengamanje omunye angabuka ungathi sibhekene nalabo bokuhamba kuphela noma bokufika abamnyama sibhekene nayo yonke into anti-South African wonke umuntu o-anti-South African must go uMalema is anti-South African he must go wonke umuntu oyi-anti-South African nje siyamchitha njengamanje and we are prepared even to die angeke sisahlehla nomama bethu nobaba bethu ney'ngane zethu mina ngubaba nje umkame bengitshela ukuthi hayi kufanele uhlala endlini ngithi mina ngihlale kanjani la endlini ibutho liphumile lingaphandle ngangikwazi ukuhlala endlini siyolwa njengamanje siyodudula labantu sizobadudula bonke futhi kuzocaca ukuthi siyabadudula ulaka lwethu lusezingeni eliphezulu kakhulu angazi ukuthi uRamaphosa uyobe kuphi angazi bangakho abazi umuzi wakhe angazi mangakho amabhasi azosondela emzini wakhe ngoba kuyasondeleka akukho la kungasondeleki khona kuyasondeleka nje futhi sengazathi ithi njengamanje lo mkhankaso basuqala basibaqumba nje phansi sivele si-appointe iMadlanga Commission siyishintshe ibe yi-court ibe yi-high court la khona umuntu if ezotholakala i-guilty khona agwetshwe kuyiMadlanga Commission bangabe
namajaji lawa kufakwe namajaji lawa aloke ephasisa abantu ukuthi no sizongena nakuma estate kufakwe nalabantu lamajaji aloke ephasisa imithetho leyo lawo kuma human rights nalama NPO yonke lento le eloke isijwayeza ngabantu bokufika
exactly
isiminyaminya you are correct but ungavezi wonke amaqhinga ethu comrade Wisdom nokuthi nizokwenzani ningasho ningakuvezi lokho so what will happen is thina we're going to have a peaceful march nge-30 and make sure ukuthi le nkabi azisitholi we are good bafethu we're going to go and matikizela ungahamba ungavalelisanga cha Ndlovu yes ukethele goqa my leader goqa my leader Wisdom
yeah I know ngibonge kakhulu isikhathi ongiphe sona mhlonishwa sengigoqa nje cha abantu ngathi bangakhululeka amaphoyisa ngeke asidubule angikholwa futhi namaphoyisa namasosha ukuthi azosidubula kodwa lo oyoke athi uyawatshela ukuthi awasidubule yena sobe sesimbopha cha asihlulekeni bafethu asiyeni phambili silwe izwe lethu sizame ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi silikhulule. Thank you very much and God bless you.
Correct. Thank you leader. Thank you now Nkosi Kubusisi. Cha Ndlovu. Ndlovu.
Noma uyangizwa.
No, ngiyakuzwa baba Nyanda.
Okay. Leader, uyazi ukuthi laba bantu bayitshelana. Benza lento ade beyenza bona ukuthi ngizomtshela nje into eyodwa. Ngicela ukubingelela ukuthi ngidiniwe. Angisakwazi nokubingelela.
No, ngena odabeni ungabusana nazo.
Kodwa ngizobingelela njengomuntu osibizile ngidiniwe leader. Mhlawumbe lokhu ubona ngibhala ngidiniwe kakhulu 100%. Uyazi leader kuzokwenzakala njengoba nge8:30 ngifuna ukunitshela uniqaphelisa leyo nto. Laba bantu njengoba bekhiphela imali engaka bayitshela ukuthi kuzoba khona impi izoba khona. Yazi ngani leader? Abantu abazosukela ilabantu bazosidubula kuqala. Buka lento yaseMayfair ukuqala. Hayi thina ukuthi sobathinta phela sibahlulile sibashaye ngomqondo iskill abangakazi ababengacabangi ukuthi iSouth Africa iyakwazi ukwenza lento. Imashi humble quiet ayenzi izinto ezibhedayo. Iqondisa igwegwe mekukhona umuntu ophuma endleleni. Sonke bathusile into yokuqala ingakho babona bengazi ukuthi bazokwenzani. Number 2 so thina sosukela ilabantu bazosidubula bona. Ngeke siyimele leyo nto. Akekho ozomela mebesidubule. Ngale mali abayikhiphile bayitshela ukuthi banenkolelo yokuthi bona uma bethi kuzogcwala amaphoyisa nge8:30 kuzokwenzeka lento eyenzele eSouth Africa ukuthi mesihlwela into masiyaphela kanjalo cha ayizophela. Be carefully abayiqonde leyo ukuthi uyazi kuzofika la so masha nabo ngelinye ilanga begqoke ama-underpan abanye begqoke ama-G3 so balanda angithi phela bahlele ema-estates laba bantu bafike bekhulume besidelele akekho umuntu ohambayo. And silunge kakhulu siulungela udoti sawulungela. Example asikhulumi ngamagama abantu. Kuhanjiwe njengamanje kukhulunywa indaba yendoda eyodwa kuthiwa indoda eyodwa yahamba yayofihla imali ngaphansi kwasofa yantshontshwa leyo mali. Yona ikhombisa ukuthi inamandla onke ayifuni ukuphuma. Number 2 sibethe sityelelwe nje abafana besitshele the way because bayazi bayohlala kuma estate sokwenza lutho. Luyeza malida ngiyamtshela uyabona into eqaliwe luyeza usuku lesongena khona kuma estate wabo sobalanda kungadlalwa lamaphoyisa ababona ukuthi abajikele akhathele nabo alikho iphoyisa engakhatheli lo doti alikho isosha engakhatheli lo doti ngisho inesi leli abagabe ngalo likhathele abayitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe loshangi ngama slow poison benze yonke into welida sathula la kudlalwa ngathi senziwe ilima kwambiwa imgodi uyabona lo government wale South Africa usenza nje si useless sathula kwambiwa imgodi kukhona iCovid siyazi safelwa abantu angikwazi ukuthi yayinto engekho ngoba khona abantu abanganamuntu khona imize yavalwa kodwa bona bazuza kodwa manje ngiyihelo lokugcina ngifuna ukutshela lethu uyabona sine power futhi sikhombisile ukuthi sithushwa ilentsha yethu ehluphayo engafuni ukusilandela elokhu ihleli ingazi ukuthi yenzani sine power enkulu uyabona lo 1976 owenzeka yiwo manje ngiyakutshela lithi anginawo amagama amaningi ngithi sidiniwe sikhathele siyaya ama-estates wabo siyaya eParliament bebahleli bayakhuluma sibakhiphe sithi ake niyikhulume nihamba la emgaqweni lenkulumo eniyikhulumayo sikhathele bengayitsheli ngalo 600 vele already inkabi bayilandile usanithakho yinkabi phela asolo kushona le sorry abathi ukukhuluma kanjalo you can't say ade sikulwela umphathi mina ngisematekisini namatekisi amaningi kodwa siyikhuluma you can't say thina hlale hlanjalazo sitshela ukuthiwa yini mina sikhuluma indaba yenu safakela uRia via live safakela sitheme sikhuluma kunabantu abalele abahleli namanje ababoshelwe indaba kaRia via bakhohliwe ngobani kufakwe imali emakhukhwini kuthathwe OG4 nobani kwathiwa bazosigada abantu abazosidubula labo lama security kwathiwa azosigada enzeni leyo mali lo government wethu akakhohlwa siyiphukupuku akakhohlwa and isifundile thina laba esiphush elite sishaya English mothi ukhuluma ngopakela ushaya English angibe bethi bla bla mothi ukhuluma ngawe lapho mebethini ushaya English uzoyophuma ngale sikhathele leader ngiyabonga sikhathele ngiyabonga ukuthi ngibhale kupanel chayathi.
No, correct leader. No, bafethu indlela indaba yokuthi bakwenze ngathi awufundile basuke bakustigmatize. It's another way of propaganda le ukuthi mawukhuluma kanje mawufuna izwe lakho umuntu ongafundile. And that is now become abantu abayisabayo ukuthi hey kuzothiwa mina angifundi. No, ngicamana bathi asifundile but sizolwa thina to the point ukuthi size siphumelele. Comrade Naledi asiyivaleni manje asiyivaleni bafana sizwile ikhathazile manje mhlambe sophinde sibuye entambama out discharge sithi ukunyakaza sobona namanye ama comrade sizophinde sibuye futhi entambama asalute.
Yeah, yazi my leader. Hey abantu bakuthi fanele baxwaye man ukuthi hey sikuyisiphi isimo. But in any case sesitry kakhulu ukukhuluma ngalento and then into efanele sifocus kuyovele yiwo lama solution. Mina ngithi nje mase yaphambili asisho nje kahle ukuthi Ramaphosa must fall ne-GNU yakhe i-GNU yonke entirely must fall because akusizi ukuthi Ramaphosa must fall. The ones that are going to be left behind they'll continue and say it's continue ne-government. So we need to make clear to this government ukuthi nayo yonke umuntu ukuthi asisafuni next sizwile. We are not going to accept indlela izinto ezenziwa ngayo kule country uyabo. Yeah, and one other thing angisho this guy that was in Marikana Jim yini konje Fidelity now ne. Now he's one of the people that have been appointed to do security on the 30th ne. He's known of ukuthi yena udume ngaye neMarikana siyazi udume ngaye. So ke bantu bakithi asishela ukuthi siyathusana usenzani fanele sixwaye uma strategize you need to have information ukuthi ngale zibophele kanjani uyabo so that nawe mawubopha uzobopha wazi ukuthi I should avoid this, I should do this. I backup plan yami kufanele kube yile Macfast my leader. And then kunjalo nje ngicela ukuthi singasa focus kulabantu abazama ukusithikameza yilaba abathi eBhayibhelini inkosi baxolele ngoba bakwazi abakwenzayo you know abazi next labantu they don't have a light ukuthi kwenzakalani yilabantu abayobona nje sebegijima nemithwalo bengazi nabo ukuthi bayapi. So ke asiphumeni kubo sibopha into yethu sihambe sephambili sizoyiwina lempi sizoyiwina akuzoba lula angifuni isikhohlisane akuzoba lula. This is a long walk to freedom. Yiyo ke I long walk to freedom le isifikile yinde indlela esihambayo so yamazi kufanele sihlale sinawo lawo noma siqhubeka soldier on sithi let's soldier on sibe sazi ukuthi indlela esihambayo yinde akuzoba lula. Fanele siprepare imadlana esiphethe encane sizama ukuthi sibothenga ukudla kube extra sibeke ezindlini ukuthi mase kubheda singaqali sibulawe indlala ukudla namanzi impuphu nje hayi okuningi impuphu nje namanzi kube khona endlini. My leader akusekho okuningi engakusho ngiyoze ngikhuluma entambama mawubuya I salute ngiyabonga.
Bopa leader. Thank you leader. Naledi, it's always a pleasure to have you. Nuchofu live no share even manje siyavalelisa na inkokheli ya morning leader shongwe sibambile bafethu matikizela valelisa my lead valelisa.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu mphathi elami elokugcina ukuthi kunesithombe enginokusibona like on socials where abantu abawu 4-5 baguqile. On top of those people the government is playing chess on top of them. What these people don't understand is as soon as they stand up the game is going to finish. So I'm pleading uma South African citizens ukuthi isikhathi sokusukuma nge30 zakaMarch we should not have any excuse not to be on the streets. And then number 2, laba abasebenzayo ngicele bethatha iholiday nge-30 besijoin kwi-March. I submit.
Thank you. No, thank you, leadership. Very nice and sweet and short. Uthe iMarch iseTshwane, ise-COJ, ise-KZN, eThekwini or eThawini. Please give us dates so that sizo update abantu. Sicela bafethu kube a peaceful march. Sicela niphephe and make sure ukuthi country comes to a standstill. Ungahlali endlini. Yeah, no. Ukhumbula ukuthi bafethu uChristian sasibancane thina makavela and wayishilo, so thina sikhula kanje sikhulela Middelburg, Witbank bayabuza abantu ukuthi zobikhona imarch. No, niphumeni bafethu, niphumeni, uphume endlini ubheke ukuthi imarch ngakini ingakuphi. Make sure uphethe flag, make sure ukuthi niqoma ama flag ase South Africa endlini zenu, ePretoria, eTshwane, inini. I think ekseni ngabo 9 izobe iqala imarch. What time the march is starting, Matikizela?
Ngoba sengishilo bebesalinde i-confirmation from amaphoyisa, nibonile naseThekwini baluk bapha i-permit, so we were still waiting for that confirmation. What I will do, because ngizoyithola namhlanje, I'm going to share it with you so that on your live today you can give all the locations. Ngiyazi ukuthi naseKimberley there's going to be a match. I'm not sure the area, but I will get all that information for tonight's live. Nesikhathi ukuthi sosuka ngobani isikhathi. Abantu who don't have transport, it's important we gather ourselves as a community, see match to the central location. Akungabi ne excuse, comrades, it's time to take over our land.
No, it's time to reclaim our spaces. It's time to reclaim our towns. It's time to reclaim our economy. It's time to reclaim our country back. I-country yethu kunuka ama-chops mfethu, unganuka iKarapau, kunuka injera, kunuka yonke le nonsense le eza nalabantu. Ay futhi no, thank you leaders on SmartFast, on ZOFAS bafethu. Thina si-MK, we're not hiding it. Simasha nayo iMarch and March. We are moving forward and we are on the ground, side by side, hand in hand. We all stand together. I think kwakuyiculo lelo Pretoria, there's gonna be a march on 8, but sizoloke sinitshela sicela imarch ibe peaceful. Do not give them an inch. Labantu basengela inkabi ngalo 600 million. Kodwa asihlehli, asijiki, siyaphambili, siyafasa, siyabopha on SmartFast, OFAS. This is Prince, my Prince. Iskeleme ezinye ikeleme ngokelema untombi ziyamphenya.